Hey, are you searching for good quality action cameras? But it is very difficult for you which one is best among these action cameras. Don't worry, I help you make a decision. I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to the conclusion about which action cameras is the best for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, watch the video without wasting any time. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 3. First or third person 4K video capture. The DJI Osmo Action 3 looks like the GoPro Hero 11 Black, but it doesn't match its video or still image resolution. But with 4K video at 120 fps, 12 megapixel stills, and a super wide 155-degree field of vision, this competent camera is a solid, cheaper alternative. For framing and selecting capture choices, the front and rear displays are color touchscreens. Image stabilization makes photos look smooth. It may be mounted horizontally or vertically and shot underwater up to 52 feet deep. In temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit, the battery lasts 160 minutes of continuous video shooting. You can take the Osmo Action 3 on water activities because it's waterproof to 3 feet. It includes 3 microphones for quality audio and voice instructions. Connecting to Wi-Fi allows live streaming. DJI offers a dozen mounts and accessories, including a frame case that works with most GoPro-compatible accessories. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is more expensive than this action camera. Number 2. Insta360 Twin Edition. Recording action and 360-degree footage using the same camera. The Insta360 Twin Edition, which has 2 lenses, is more expensive than comparable action cameras. It has a snap-together modular design with a battery base, a replaceable lens, and a touchscreen display for framing. The Twin Edition includes a 5.7 Kelvin 360-degree lens plus the $300 Insta360's 4 Kelvin boost lens. The 4 Kelvin boost lens lets the camera take 48 megapixel photos. Depending on what and how you're shooting, you can position the touchscreen display forward or backward. The camera comes with a mounting bracket to attach to a variety of other accessories, including the Insta360 selfie stick, which the camera can automatically remove from your photos and videos. The camera can wirelessly transfer content to a computer or mobile device for editing and sharing. Depending on the shooting mode, the rechargeable battery lasts 60-80 minutes. Number 3. Insta360X3. Taking maximum advantage of your surroundings. For a little camera, the Insta360X3 has surprising capabilities. The camera's capacity to capture breathtaking, immersive, and incredibly smooth 360-degree video at up to 5.7 Kelvin quality is at the top of its feature list. In addition to image stabilization, the camera features a 6-axis gyroscope integrated into it. The X3 also produces conventional 4 Kelvin video with a wide field of view and stunning 72 megapixel still photos that are richly detailed and colorful. Because of its vertical form, the X3 is simple to grasp and use with just one hand. Alternately, you can mount the camera to your body or equipment, use the optional Insta360 selfie stick, and the camera will automatically remove the selfie stick from your content. Active HDR, time-lapse, time-shift, and loop recording are among the standard shooting options available on the X3. The rechargeable battery can shoot continuously for up to 81 minutes. Number 4. DJI Action 2 Power Combo. Mounting on tiny things or places. The DJI Action 2 Power Combo is a 1.5 inches square cube that fits in your palm and provides inventive mounting points for new shooting viewpoints that larger cameras can't manage. On one side is a lens, on the other is a small touchscreen display, and there are magnets to combine with extra attachments like the front touchscreen module or macro lens. The camera can record 4 Kelvin video at 120 fps with a field of view of 84,155 degrees. 4 internal microphones catch sound from all directions. The camera's compact size allows for unusual angles and viewpoints, even if the image resolution is 12 megapixels. You can use the Action 2 anywhere because its sturdy housing is dustproof and waterproof. Its battery lasts 160 minutes. With various mounts, you can wear the camera around your neck, on your head, on a tripod, or anywhere. Number 5. Akaso Brave 7. Affordable sports and adventure vlogging. The Brave 7 is a budget-friendly way to shoot vivid videos and photos. Akaso's action cameras are cheaper than GoPro's Hero but lack GoPro's services. The GoPro Hero 11's shooting flexibility outperforms the Brave 7's sports focus. The Brave 7's 6-axis eyes captures 4 liters footage at 30 fps. Slow motion and time-lapse options are available. It offers 4 filming angles. The Brave 7 sports a front-facing display for framing vlogs and a 2 inches back touchscreen. Its strong IPX8 waterproof chassis can traverse 33 feet underwater. The ecosystem of third-party GoPro mounts and accessories expands the camera's placement and use. It includes a 2.4 GHz wireless remote control, bicycle mount, helmet mount, mount connectors, a USB Type-C cable, and more to get you started. Most GoPro accessories cost extra. This video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for more videos. And also check the description box for mention each product link. Thanks for watching this video.